Hello everyone, my name is Ritik and in this task I have to perform exploratory data analysis on a superstore dataset. My aim is as a business manager to try to find out the weak areas where we can work to make more profits. For completing this project I have used Tableau as the dataset is of superstore is of United States. The total sales made in United States is of $2.3 million. Total profit is 286K and total number of units sold of each item is 37,870. Now I have calculated profit by state as in it's quite visual and we can clearly see as we move right side, the more dark the green color is, the more profit is there. Means California has recorded highest profit of $76,381, and as we move towards red side or towards left side, the more dark towards left side, the more loss is there, and we can say our loss is 25,729 that is recorded in Texas. So through this graph we can easily see profit made by each state. So now what is the reason behind the negative profit? Means what's the reason behind loss? So I'd further analyze the profit by category and subcategory. Here we can clearly see the category technology recorded highest number of profit as well as sales, but we had recorded some loss in furniture and its subcategories tables and bookcases. We had recorded a loss here. So after analyzing further, the reason behind the loss is discount. As we can clearly see, in furniture category, we had given the highest number of discount in tables and then bookcases. The reason may be anything of giving this discount, but we had suffered a loss also. So to find out the reason, the manager can ask the sales department that this is a problem. What's the reason behind this happening? Now, as we can clearly see, the shipment used standard class had made a huge sales as well as profit. So it's more preferred that the more number of shipments made through sales recorded highest profit. Thank you.